Hello and welcome to Learn Russian with the app we are developing. So let's start by pressing Learn here, and we will not choose speak mode. We have in total four different modes, but the speak mode doesn't work on mobile phones yet. I have to like fix that in some point, but we can try these three other modes, and I'll show you how it works if we learn Russian. And before starting, I have to say all the content, the texts and audios are made by a native Russian speaker. And we had some problems with the audio recording, so for some reason all of the audios weren't saved. So if we have an audio, you will see the audio icon in blue color. Now, when it's gray, we don't have the audio. Anyways, every question, like all the content in the app currently is question answer pairs. We have a hint picture which we can click here. We can zoom into it like this. We have the question and the toggle button in on the right. We can click it once. We see the transliteration. We click once more and we see the source language translation, which in this case is English. And once more, and we start the cycle again. The first type of exercise type is the unscramble mode, where we have to order the word tiles in the correct order, and we can choose from this button, show transliteration or original script, if we want to arrange the word blocks using Cyrillic or Latin script. I will choose the Cyrillic now. В неделе 7 дней. Yeah. And after answering, we see the full answer, which is here below. It matches with what I answered, so it was correct. Now we have the write mode here. We have the picture. Actually, I am going to make some pictures with the Russian abbreviations for all the weekday names. So here we have the default picture using the English ones, but I will make a custom one, which will be seen here. Oh, we have here the audio button. So let's try this.
Какой день идет перед вторником?
And let me know if you think that was too fast. Maybe we should make the audios a bit slower, or also add a slider where you can adjust the audio speed. So which day comes before Tuesday? And here we can press the hint button. We can press the hint button as many times as we want. We can even reveal the whole answer like this. But if you don't understand Cyrillic, we can toggle here, transliteration, and we can then see the answer in Latin script. And based on this toggle, we can input the answer using Latin or a Cyrillic script. Now that we toggle transliteration, I can write the answer using Latin keyboard like this. And in the bottom, you see the full answer without the missing word. So after we press check, we will see if it was correct. Oh, okay, yeah. I wrote one letter incorrectly, like you can see here.
Перед вторником идет понедельник.
Yeah, I think it's a bit quick, so I need to tell my translator, who happens to be my wife. I have to tell her we need to make it a bit slower. And the next one is multi-option. Also, this picture might be not the best because when it's a small size, yeah, it's not the best, but yeah. Uh, I'm not going to press all the audio buttons now because you know already how it works. Just one. choose this.
Январь.
Yeah, we will choose this, Yanvar. And after answering, you will see the same things from the toggle, and you can listen the audio. So basically, you should now understand the logic, how it works, the audio button and the toggle, and also the toggles in the unscramble mode and also write mode. Like here, this time let's use Latin script like this. Yeah. So this makes it much easier to answer if you don't know the Cyrillic script, or in in the case of other languages, if you learn Chinese or Korean, it's it might be hard. Well, Korean Hangul is not hard, but Chinese and Japanese, it's much easier using the Latin script first if you want, because like Duolingo and other apps, they don't have these kinds of options to use transliteration or original script in the similar exercise types. Anyways, now you saw how this works, so I think I'm not going to show that much more content. You can sign up on the waiting list, and maybe just let me know if you want to test the app yourself. So, I mean, you're not obliged to do anything if you're on the waiting list. It's just to know what languages people want to learn, how many people are willing to pay something. You can also tell you're not willing to pay anything and you want to be a freemium user. It's just useful for us to know what languages we should prioritize, and like what kind of um, how much people would be ready to pay for the premium features we have. Let me still explain one thing, the explanation button here. I'm not sure we had this before, but um, I haven't had the time to add this for all the questions, but um, it's the explanation for the words in the question and answer, a bit similar than you have seen if you have used Closemaster, but this app doesn't use any AI, so we are not using ChatGPT or anything else. All the explanations are manually made. So I think I explained everything I wanted about the app. Currently in August 2026, it's still under development. There are many bugs in different learning modes. Like we have different practice modes, different challenge modes, and there's a lot to fix. So hopefully we have the uh, working working version in 2027. So we can start adding Russian content after we have finished and English courses finished. So follow us here on YouTube or other social medias to find out the uh, updates and news. Thank you.